Everyone, welcome back to Mama in the Kitchen. So I'm coming back with another DIY, and this time it's going to be hand sanitizer, but in a spray form. So I'm going to be putting it in a spray bottle. So I have 1/3 of a cup of aloe vera gel, and then I have some essential oil. I'm going to be using tea tree essential oil. I'm going to use about 10 drops. Some alcohol. I have 70%, but if you have a higher percentage, that's better. But this is all I have right now, so that's what I'm going to be using. And then a spray bottle. This is not a typical spray bottle to be putting this in, but that's all I have now, so that's what I'm going to be using. So in a cup, I'm going to go ahead and mix in 1/3 of a cup of the aloe vera with 1 cup of the 70% alcohol. Now you want to use at least 70, but again, if you have an alcohol that's a higher percentage, 91 would be ideal. That would be better, but this is all I have, so this is what I'm using. So I'm going to mix that in, and then I'll be adding the essential oil. And after mixing in the aloe vera with the alcohol, now I'm going to go ahead and add my tea tree essential oil. Now the essential oil is just for scent, so you can leave it out if you don't want to add it, and you can use any scent that you like. So I'm going to be using 10 drops, but you can add more or less depending how strong you want that scent to be. So I'm just going to mix that in. Now I'm going to go ahead and put it in my spray bottle. Again, this isn't a typical spray bottle that I would use for this, but right now that's all I have, and I'll take anything I can get at this point because the stores ran out of literally everything. They ran out of all types of spray bottles and everything. So if you have the regular spray bottles, those work better because they will squirt a softer mist, but this is all I have now, so this is what I'm going to put it in. Alright, so this hand sanitizing spray is now ready for use. So I went ahead and sprayed my hands, and you want to rub it into your hands for at least 20 seconds for this to be effective. And that is it for this video. I hope you guys find this helpful, and thank you for watching.